Hello, I'm at the Warteg right now. I'm just shooting. And after this, maybe I'll eat one more time. Then tomorrow I'll go to the gym. Training, it's been a long time that I didn't train. But I need to buy a lot of things, I think, for my gym equipment. Measurement equipment for my job. Life just should go on. I think it's good stuff. Me, it's a gut, and I'm just trying my best, doing things consistently, and I hope that one day I'll get what I want in my life, that I'll achieve what I want. I really hope that myself will be just being the best version, doing it consistently.